Do you struggle with dry skin every morning? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the perfect AM skincare routine to keep your skin hydrated, protected, and glowing all day long. Let's dive in. Start your morning routine with a gentle cleanser specially formulated for dry skin. Look for products with hydrating ingredients like glycerin or ceramides. These will cleanse your skin without stripping away essential moisture. Avoid harsh cleansers with sulfates. They can make dryness worse. Always pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel instead of rubbing to prevent irritation. Next, apply a hydrating essence. This step is crucial for locking in moisture and preparing your skin for the rest of your routine. Look for essences with hyaluronic acid, which attracts water to the skin and keeps it plump and hydrated. Gently pat the essence into your skin for better absorption. After hydrating, it's time for antioxidant protection. A good vitamin C serum works wonders for dry skin by brightening your complexion and fighting off free radicals caused by pollution and stress. Take 3 to 4 drops and apply evenly to your face and neck. Don't forget the neck, it needs just as much love as your face. Finally, the most important step in your AM routine: sun protection. Choose a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and apply it generously. This step not only protects your skin from harmful UV rays, but also prevents premature aging and dryness caused by the sun. Remember, sunscreen is your skin's best friend. Reapply every 2 hours if you're going outside. And that's it. A simple yet effective AM skincare routine for dry skin. Start your day hydrated, protected, and ready to glow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert skincare tips. HealthPoint Skincare, your guide to healthy, glowing skin.